Want to enable lossless audio on Apple Music? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can simply enable it. So if you move into your Apple Music, you will not be able to see any of the settings page, and the option of lossless audio is not available in the app itself. So what you actually need to do is simply go back to your home page and then move into settings. Scroll all the way down and then head over to apps. In this page, search for the application Apple Music and then head over to it. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you should see the option of lossless audio. Click on it and then enable it by toggling on the button at the top right corner of the screen. If you couldn't see the feature of lossless audio, it might be because you haven't signed into your Apple Music account. So make sure to sign into your account and all of the features and options will be available to you. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.